Good day, folks. My name is Kris Kilpatrick over at General RV in Huntley, Illinois. I'm here to just give you a couple key features on the 2019 Hymer Aktiv. Not to be confused with the Hymer Aktiv 2.0. The difference is about 1.5 feet there. This is going to be on the 2500 series chassis as opposed to the 2.0 is going to be on a 3500 series chassis. A couple things with this. It's a gas engine, very fuel efficient. You're going to get about 17 miles to the gallon. It is a 3.6 liter, 24-gallon fuel tank on there as well. I'm 9 feet, 5 inches in height. So if you have a 10-foot garage, that's absolutely perfect. And I'm 19 feet, 7 inches overall, as opposed to, once again, the Hymer Aktiv 2.0 is going to be about 20 feet, 9 inches. Some of the key features in this coach, which is really going to separate you from every other B van, because in the B van world, everyone does something a little different based off of space and obviously in rights and things to that nature. However, this particular B van is going to be equipped with a cassette toilet. It is a 4.6 gallon toilet, so there's no black water tank that you have to be emptying. It's literally going to be on the side of the coach over here. Pop it out and you do treat it like a briefcase, and then you can pretty much take it to any sewer dump that you need to, or depending on where you're at, obviously you can dump it within reason. Another great thing about it, the way we order it here at General RV is going to have the back mounted tire. Okay, when you do a back mounted tire, that tells you that you have a 30-gallon freshwater capacity. In the event you get one or are looking at one online that has the undermount for the spare tire, your freshwater tank is going to be cut in half to almost about 15, which is pretty crucial depending on how you're going to be using the vehicle. So let's take a peek at the inside. So the exterior that you just saw is going to be the sandstone pearl. The interior color that we have here is going to be the buttercream. A couple conveniences for the driver. One is definitely going to be the telescoping, which is always nice because obviously, you know, people are different shapes and sizes. Bringing that point up, my interior height is going to be 6 feet 1 inches, so I could just stand perfectly in this coach. We have optioned this with the EcoTrek 400 lithium-ion batteries, so you're going to have a lot more time camping without having your volt start kick on, which I'll get to here in a minute. On top of those batteries, we have a 250-watt solar panel that is going to be constantly charging, of course, when the sun's out, like a beautiful day like today. My passenger and my driver's seat both swivel. Now, this does sleep up to 4, okay? Usually a 2-person coach. If you do have the ability to sleep 4, though, these 2 front seats turn 45-degree angles to, like this. This would be the back of the seats. And then from the seat behind me, that's going to be the mattress that will then come out and go in between the coach for you as well. It is going to have a Class 5 hitch. Okay, so that tells you you have 4-pin, 7-pin, and if you are looking to tow something with this vehicle, I would probably rethink your decision. This only has a 2,000-pound towing capacity, perfect for like if you want to add a bike rack or like a really small trailer, maybe a kayak trailer or something to that nature, or even like a small aluminum fishing boat. So this particular coach, I just brought up the Volt Start, which is basically an underhood generator. It's a 280 amp. It's also a 12-volt generator. So what that does, right now it is actually off, okay? So if I do not have the key in my ignition, so everything isn't charging, if my key is completely out, and I want to camp for a long period of time, or I want to leave my dogs in here while I go to get breakfast or something, or take a hike, basically what you do is literally flip of a switch here, and that indicates that my Volt Start is on, okay? Do not get this confused with the Corrado Banff, which is a smaller version of this. The Corrado Banff will have an underhood generator, but most likely will never be ordered with a Volt Start. Volt Start is extremely important. It will reset this coach up to 5 times. So when your battery power drops, engine kicks on, recharges everything, air conditioning stays on, coach stays cool, life is good. Again, 5-time reset. Obviously, space is crucial in a B van. So we have a great size sink here, which obviously has flush mount. Okay, so you can use it for countertop because you're not always using your sink, of course. And then you have a 2-burner stove, which is going to be completely propane for you. So I can zoom out a little bit so you can see that you do have actually decent size storage space as far as that goes. My refrigerator, all right, is going to be a 3.1 cubic foot refrigerator, and I have a 9-gallon propane tank on this coach. Here's my bathroom with the cassette toilet. That's going to be your sink that folds down. Obviously, you got your mirror here, and then of course the fantastic fan to get all that humidity out of here. It will suck it right up. You can also reverse it to bring the cool air in if needed. This is my 11,000 BTU air conditioning system, which is not to be confused with my dash, of course. So you still have dash AC, which I have on now, and that will actually cool the coach off plenty. But then, of course, once again, you do have your 11,000 BTU air conditioning system, which is going to cool this off tremendously. I'll fold this down real quick. This is my bed. Bear with me one quick sec. Now, nice thing about this bed, it is extremely padded, okay? And obviously that will flip over, but since I'm going to keep this short and sweet, look at all that storage underneath there. Again, storage is absolutely crucial in a B van. So folks, again, my name is Kris Kilpatrick with General RV out of Huntley, Illinois. Our phone number is 847-669-5570. Hope you like my quick little demonstration. Obviously, if you have more in-depth questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.